Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the most effective way to not only clean, but maintain the Osmo Door Oil. The best thing about any hard wax oil is how easy it is to clean, maintain and refinish. Let's get to work. You'll notice that my door is off its hinges and in front of me. Don't worry, to clean your door, you don't have to take it off its hinges. This is just for illustrative purposes. Doors do take one hell of a beating, so it's only natural that they would need some TLC from time to time. We would recommend steering away from regular household cleaners as this will strip the finish. Luckily, Osmo have you covered with the fantastic Osmo spray cleaner. It's ideal for regular cleaning and it smells great too. If your door is looking a bit tired and worn, you'll be relieved to know it's a really easy fix. Osmo Liquid Wax Cleaner is the answer to all your problems, specially designed to refresh and regenerate oiled surfaces. Recommended for the clear version only, it's really easy to apply. Simply pour a small amount onto a lint-free cloth, apply to the surface and wipe into the area you wish to be refreshed. Damage, scuffs, wear and minor scratches aren't the end of the world. Fixing these problems are really easy. All you need to do is lightly abrade the surface with a finishing pad, then simply apply another coat of the Osmo Door Oil to the affected area. It's really that easy. If your finish has been on your door for 2 or more years and is looking a bit tired and warm, it's time for a good pamper. Just unhang the door, give it a good clean and a careful rub down with P120 sandpaper or a finishing pad, paying extra attention not to rub too hard on the corners and edges, and of course, always with the grain. Then just follow the steps in our application video and apply a single top-up coat. If you are seeking further technical assistance or advice on this project, why not put us to the test and give us a call or email? We are the experts after all. All the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description on YouTube. Like what you've seen? Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And remember, always do a test area.